a great way to become mates with waste is when we reuse it. And when we reuse stuff, that's when we're really starting to reduce our environmental impact. So let me introduce you to the hiccup. Rather than buying a reusable cup, I mean, you've got cups in your cupboard, why not use them? But if you don't want to use them, grab a glass jar. Any jar will do. Now, we've put some rubber bands around the middle so that we don't burn our fingers when we're drinking our coffee. But this is fully recyclable. The bands can be removed and reused. The metal can go into the recycle bin, and so can the glass jar. Now, there's a lot of reusable cups around at the moment, and they're beautiful, they're ceramic and all that sort of stuff, but we know ceramics can't go in the recycle bin. This is fully reusable and fully recyclable. So become mates with your waste and make yourself a hiccup.